with an automatic transmission. This sport utility vehicle is well equipped. This Hyundai features front-wheel drive, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and traction control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.